Welcome back. It's a good listing for Adani Wilmar, so just keep one eye on that. 6.5% higher now. But let's also get a handle on what's happening in the commodity markets this morning. Manisha Gupta, our commodities editor, is joining in. Manisha, hi. What's the one commodity you're looking at today?
Sonia, I'm looking at metals because even as the crude prices have gone in for some profit taking, the metals haven't, and most of them are trading in the positive even now. What you are looking at is the reaction to the decline in US dollar and very strong US jobs data. That really seems to be doing the trick. And then China has come back post those Lunar New Year holidays, and we saw strong gains yesterday, and the markets have traded on the higher side today as well. China also has outlined the construction of infra plan, and they are expected to put out exact numbers and deadlines outside, and that also seems to be doing the sentiment impact here. The cost of transaction, or rather transportation, in US also seems to be surging. We all are watching those news of truckers' protest in Canada and US. So much of the transportation cost has gone up because of that. When you look at copper, the transportation cost in that area has surged to the highest since 2003. And aluminum, total cost of aluminum, 20% of that right now is cost of production. Remember, we are looking at the aluminum prices continuing to run higher. They are trading above $3,000 per ton, and the markets are looking at very strong gains continuing from the on-ground demand as well, where Europe is paying all-time highs premium for physical aluminum as of now. Steel prices have continued to run up as well, 15-week highs onto this one, and steel is up by nearly 28% in 2022 already right now. Good gains is what we've seen in the other metals also. Iron ore prices are up by 22%. You have Shanghai aluminum trading at a 3.5-month highs. We are up by nearly 10% for aluminum prices in this year too. Nickel is looking at record lows inventories in Shanghai and a 2-year lows inventory on LME. That has been supportive factor there. And copper prices have run up because Peru mine La Bambas may stop production on 20th of February. So everywhere that you look, we are looking at strong demand, lower inventories, and other macro factors as well supporting prices.
Lovely. All right. Thanks a lot for that, Manisha. La Bamba. All right. Okay.
I thought I was the only one who thought of that song.
I think we grew up on that song, didn't we?
Manisha, somehow you can spice things up. All right. Thanks so much for that. Well, let's shift focus away from the commodity markets as well as the equity markets. Let's focus on the bond